Avo Assure allows its users to customize the test execution environment before they execute test cases. This customization is known as configuring the execution lists, which includes validating specific automation testing needs, such as the choice of execution client or grid, selection of execution browser, and others. By defining specific configurations, users can quickly switch between different testing scenarios without manually adjusting the settings each time. Keeping track of different execution configurations helps in maintaining and managing various versions of the test environment, which is critical when dealing with multiple releases or updates in an application under test. Let us now view a demonstration to learn more. After logging into Avo Assure using your credentials, select a project for which an execution list is to be created and navigate to Design Studio from the home page. The Element Repository panel appears. Click the Execution tab on top to navigate to it, and you will land on the Execution Lists page. You can either click the plus icon across Execution List on the left pane, or click the Create Folder button on the Work pane to add one. Type in a name for the folder. Depending on the requirement, a user can begin by creating a new folder or directly create an execution list in an existing folder. Here, multiple folders and execution lists can be created as necessary. Name the execution list created. You will see the configuration pane appear for the execution list created, which can also be recalled using the configuration icon if closed. Here, you can select the desired test case execution arrangements like the choice of client or agent, its name, choices of browser, test management tool, execution mode, and the option to receive notification post-execution. The eye icon, when clicked, displays information about the execution list like description and audit logs. Next, click the Add Test Case as link at the bottom left corner or the Add Test Case button at the top. The Test Cases panel will pop up. You can add multiple folders and test cases just by dragging and dropping them to the Execution List section. Upon selecting a test case for the execution list created, you will see its details like name, input value, and action on test case failure appear. This action can be chosen upon a test case's failure, added to an execution list using the On Failure drop-down fields. The execution profile type remains functional by default. Let's update the execution list's configuration details. Choose the execution mode as client, search for and select an active Avo Assure client per your user profile. Finally, select the browser for the execution list to be run on. Once done, save the execution list details or changes you made. Well done! You now know how to create execution lists in Avo Assure. Move forward with confidence and let each lesson learned drive your progress. Reach out to Avo Academy at avoautomation.com for more learning information on Avo. Happy learning!